All right, so today we've got a nice Berber stair carpet cleaning job up into the hallway here. This is a new home move-in, and apparently the dog of the previous owner was really old and left some issues, some urine stains and whatever else. We're going to try and take care of those and turn this carpet into looking real nice like it was before. If you look at the carpet though, the carpet's in good shape. Nice Berber carpet here. And you can just see 3 bedrooms and a hallway and the stairs. Most of the soil is on the stairs. And then we've got the pet issues up here that we're going to try and take care of. So I'm going to make it nice and clean again. Just showing all the 3 bedrooms here. And the stairs, step 1, we're going to do a thorough vacuuming of everything. So we're going to get started with that. All right, so right now we're going to be taking a look at the stairs here, and we're going to vacuum everything thoroughly first. Step 1 is to vacuum. Always got to get a thorough vacuuming in, and then after that we'll start working on our low moisture process. All right, so the process we're going to go through here first, thorough vacuuming, stairs. Got our stair tool down here to make sure we get all the risers and get in all the crevices. Then we're going to go down here. Step 2 is a pre-spray. We're going to be using our Craftsman sprayer right here, and we'll be using Revive It Rocket. It's got citrus, peroxide, in-cap formula. This is your deodorizer, protector, and sanitizer all in one. This is an amazing cleaning product right here. Works really well with pet stains and odors. So we're going to pre-spray that down. Then we're going to take our Odyssey here, this machine right here, which is a tops machine, which basically means that we're going to put these pads under it, and as we scrub the carpet, we're not going to actually scrub it with these, but we're going to put this pad here. This has some scrub strips inside it there. That's going to scrub the carpet and get all the dirt and soil mixed in with the cleaning solvent. And then we'll come back and we'll put this pad right here under it. This is our extraction pad, and again under the tops machine. And again, this is going to soak up all the solvent and the stains and soil. And then the last step is to come back and rake it out with our carpet brush, and it's going to look fantastic after that. All right, so we're going to check on some pet urine spots just to see what we have going on in here, if we have any major spots. Just a little one over here. So this room actually looks pretty good. Just some little ones here, but because it's kind of fuzzy, they've probably already been treated. Nothing super serious in this room. In here, you can tell a couple spots at the door. It's all been attempted to be cleaned. This is some spots in here. Could be some urine spots from a dog. Probably had their dog. You can tell where they had their dog. A couple different spots in here. Okay, so first pass, take a look at the difference there already. Huge difference. And we're gonna go through now, spray it again, and then I'm gonna hit it with my Glad pad, which is right in there, one of those. And we'll pull up any of this remaining. You can see just the light shaded stuff here. But it looks so much better. We got up most of those spots. Huge improvement, and that was just from the agitation phase first run through, so we'll get the rest of it knocked out here in our second phase after I spray. All right, part two. So we just wrapped up the upstairs and the hallway. I'll take a look, check out the bedroom. Looks real nice in here. Spots are gone on the entries. The soil, check out this hallway. All that stuff is gone. Even in front of this area right here. Super clean. Into the bedroom, we had some marks in here. Super clean. All through the second bedroom. Really nice and clean. And again, through the clean hallway. And the last third bedroom. Very nice. Had some dirt that was up in front of the bathroom here too. So amazing. Low moisture, going to be dry in 90 minutes. Right now we're working on the stairs, about halfway done. So a little more work to go with that. Waiting for my hand cleaner to recharge, but once that's done, we'll finish up with the stairs and then we'll be all done out of here.